The internet, mobile computing, and now artificial intelligence. Over the last decades, we have seen a number of technological advances that have altered the way that you and I perform our work. Automation and robotics already have redefined the jobs of blue-collar workers. But now it's easy to imagine that new technologies such as generative AI will soon disrupt those of us working in accounting, in radiology, in management consulting, or, like in my case, in education. While all jobs get disrupted, new products and services are being created that we could not have even imagined just a few years ago. And with them come new work. But there's really more than just technology. Recent changes in the political landscape also have impacted the way that we work. Do you remember the rapid globalization of operations and supply chains following the fall of the Iron Curtain? Now, much of globalization seems to be in reverse gear. Companies and entire nations are de-risking their supply chains and reshoring their operations. You know, I'm fascinated by these topics. Technology, digitization, global supply chains. In all these areas, I'm eagerly listening to what the experts have to say about the business and the future of work. What bothers me, however, is that a lot of this discussion is happening in the abstract and in really rather vague terms. As a result of this vagueness, our self-declared experts are not making specific recommendations to those of us who manage organizations. What should we do? Next year, tomorrow, or even better, right now. If you want to change the way somebody works, I propose, you have to first make an effort and understand their current work. Analyzing how work gets done, understanding why it gets done this way, and then spotting improvement opportunities for the future. That is what we want you to accomplish by taking this program. My name is Christian Terwisch, and I will be teaching this program together with my friends and Wharton faculty colleagues Gatalon and Sunny Tambe. Across the three of us, our research and expertise covers the areas of operations management, supply chain management, innovation, and digitization. We had a blast producing this content, and we very much hope that this energy comes across as you work through this program. Now, the Latin word opus is the root of operations, and it means work. Thus, operations management is the academic discipline that examines the core principles of labor and firm productivity. It is through this lens that we will explore how the future of work is being shaped. So let's get to work.